Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quinoa pancakes step by step. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. A small pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of melted butter are also essential for the perfect batter. Let's get cooking. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, whisking them together until they are thoroughly mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, and melted butter until they are well blended. Then, gently pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, or until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Then, flip them carefully and cook for another 2 minutes until they are golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy the aroma. Your delicious quinoa pancakes are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of Greek yogurt are all fantastic choices. These pancakes are a wonderful, healthy twist on a classic breakfast. For more great kitchen gadgets and smart home devices, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other amazing deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.